welcome back. Or if you're just joining, my name is Maya, and welcome to my channel, Cranleyplace, where I'm focused on Hermès scarf style, knot tutorials, and more. Before we get started, let me give a shout out to all the channel members and special welcome to any new knot connoisseurs and elegant insiders. If you haven't already, be sure to check out the membership options. In this video, I'll continue my list of fantasy picks of Hermès scarf designs that I'd like to see issued as forever and why. Let's get started. The Hermès Forever Scarves represent a special category within Hermès's renowned silk carré collection. Unlike the standard seasonal designs that change regularly, the Forever Scarves are classic, enduring designs that remain in production over time. They are chosen for their timeless appeal, artistic significance, and ability to transcend trends. The motifs in the Forever collection are selected for their lasting beauty and intricate craftsmanship, and some of the most iconic designs that have been included in the lineup include Brie de Gala, Ex Libris, and Jungle Love, just to name a few. Now, as a reminder, my criteria for these fantasy picks: first, the design had to be over 25 years old. This is an arbitrary cutoff, of course, that intentionally excludes more modern designs. We could probably spend a whole nother series talking about those. Second, they had to be designs that either had few reissues or maybe none at all. And third, as far as timeless appeal, artistic significance, and ability to transcend trends, the following designs are ones that I believe fit that criteria, and they had to be something that I liked, obviously, since this is my wish list. So given that, here's what I would love to see issued as forever designs. The Lac Japonaise scarf design, created by Hugo Guicard in 1948 for Hermès, is a remarkable piece that reflects the brand's deep appreciation for art, culture, and history. Guicard was one of the first designers at Hermès to elevate the brand's silk scarves into a high fashion statement, and this design is an excellent example of his work. The Lac Japonaise scarf is inspired by Japanese lacquer art, a craft that has been a prominent part of their culture for centuries. Lacquerware often features intricate patterns, often with vibrant colors and delicate detailing. Guicard's design incorporates these influences, blending the elegance of the lacquer designs with a rich, ornate visual aesthetic. The scarf showcases floral motifs and geometric patterns reminiscent of the detailed, stylized nature of Japanese art. Guicard used bold colors like deep reds, golds, and blacks, which are characteristic of traditional lacquer designs. The result is a piece that's both vivid and sophisticated, capturing the essence of Japanese artistry while maintaining a sense of luxurious opulence that Hermès is known for. The post-war period in the late 1940s saw a renewed fascination with Eastern cultures in the West, including Japan. The Japanese aesthetic, with its attention to detail, craftsmanship, and the use of color, began to captivate Western designers and artists. Hermès, always attuned to these artistic currents, embraced this influence into its designs, and the Lac Japonaise scarf is a perfect example of how the brand integrated this trend into its offerings. This scarf design is still celebrated today as one of the masterpieces of Hermès's scarf collection. It not only represents a tribute to Japanese lacquerware, but also a significant moment in the house's ongoing legacy of creating art on silk. Collectors and enthusiasts alike often seek out vintage scarves like this one for their beauty, rarity, and historical significance. This is a timeless piece that continues to be admired by fashion aficionados and art collectors alike. And according to Carré d'Acte, this too has never been reissued. The Hermès scarf Constellations by Pierre Perron, created in 1956, became iconic over the years, and it features an intricate and poetic depiction of constellations in the night sky. Pierre Perron, known for his skill in combining elements of whimsy with artistic depth, created a design that offers an ethereal, dreamlike view of the stars. The design captures various constellations and celestial bodies, represented in a way that evokes both scientific precision and artistic imagination. The interwoven lines and delicate imagery create a sense of mystery and wonder, making it a unique piece. Baribeaud's style is known for his fluid and almost playful representations of the world, and this scarf is no exception. The colors used in the original issue of Constellations range from deep blues to silvery whites, with a clear nod to the night sky. The overall composition balances chaos and order. The scattered stars, connected by constellations, reflect the structured randomness of the universe. As with many Hermès scarves, Constellations became a sought-after piece, and over time, the scarf has become a collector's item, with vintage versions often fetching high prices in auctions and secondhand markets. Its celestial theme has continued to resonate with people interested in astronomy, mythology, and the beauty of the natural world. While Hermès has had many scarves inspired by constellations and the heavens over the years, according to Clairiere, this design has never been reissued, making it a perfect candidate in my mind for inclusion as a forever scarf. Next we have the Hermès Brise de Charme scarf, designed by Julia Abadie and first issued in 1991, according to Clairiere, and reissued again once in 1993. It showcases a captivating array of 7 fans adorned with intricate motifs including swans, peacocks, and horses. Fans have long been associated with elegance, mystery, and historical significance in both fashion and culture, making them a fitting subject for an Hermès scarf. It's a delicate yet structured placement of fans that seems to radiate and overlap, creating a sense of movement and depth. Some fans are fully open, revealing detailed artwork, while others remain partially closed, adding an air of mystery and sophistication. The positioning of the fans guides the viewer's eye across the design, encouraging an appreciation of the ornate embellishments on each piece. Now, Julia Abadie was a prolific designer for Hermès, contributing over 30 designs from the 1960s through the 2010s. Her creations often drew inspiration from historical and cultural themes, including Greek heritage and the arts. And again, this is another one just based on its rarity I would certainly love to see reissued as a forever design. So there you have it. Some thoughts about which Hermès scarves I would like to see reissued as forever scarves and why. Please like and share the video if you enjoyed it, and let me know what you think in the comments. In future episodes, I'll share other scarf reviews, tutorials, and more, so be sure to hit that subscribe button to be notified of new videos. Thanks again for joining me today. Until next time.